Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your Rcfpvpro has the correct Wi-Fi hardware and up-to-date firmware, because outdated firmware prevents stable connections. Once that's confirmed, power the unit and connect over USB/serial or Ethernet to access the web or CLI interface. This gives you control while Wi-Fi is configured. You should also have the target SSID, password, and any static IP details on hand, since you'll enter them next to avoid connectivity interruptions. From the device interface, you'll pick the wireless section and choose the correct SSID. You do this because selecting the right network and security mode ensures authentication will succeed. Once selected, enter the password exactly, then choose WPA2 or WPA3 depending on router support for best security. After that, configure IP. Use DHCP for simplicity or assign a static IP if your network needs fixed addresses. Make sure to save and apply so the radio can attempt association and get an address. Once the settings are applied, reboot the Rcfpvpro so changes take effect. This forces a fresh association with the access point and lets you verify an IP on the status screen. You then test connectivity by pinging the gateway, resolving a domain, and reaching a known remote host to confirm full network reachability. If it fails, check signal strength, correct channel, password typos, and firmware compatibility. As a quick fix, try switching to the 2.4 GHz band or temporarily using Ethernet to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.